As a people leader, you know the unmatched value of fully engaged employees. But to truly engage your people, you need to continuously listen to their feedback and take immediate action. Unfortunately, most traditional annual surveys miss the engagement mark by miles. They fail to capture the demographical nuances of your workforce, need someone else to do the data crunching for you, and by the time you actually see the results, the data would have already gone stale and subsequent actions become meaningless. Enter Culture Monkey, a full-stack employee engagement platform that allows you to listen, analyze and act on employee feedback, all from a single place with optimal effort and time. And with continuous real-time feedback, deep analytics and actionable insights that truly empower you to drive real engagement results. So, how does the platform work? Culture Monkey makes it super simple for your team to design and launch anonymous surveys, be it at a periodic, continuous or life cycle interval. Simply choose from 70+ research-backed templates or create one of your own. And at the push of a button, share it across platforms for quick and easy access by your employees. In fact, employees can also share anonymous feedback whenever they want, around the year. What's more, Culture Monkey analyzes all this feedback in just seconds, giving you access to a dashboard full of data-rich, real-time insights, which means you can now drill down to the individual details of engagement with insights classifiable based on location, manager, teams, and more. And also with a full view of your employee sentiments. Ultimately, when it comes to taking real engagement action, you will have accurate data handy, plus ready actions recommended by Culture Monkey. Assign these to stakeholders and monitor the progress from right here. And if that's not enough, Culture Monkey also allows you to drive engagement accountability among your business managers. With team-wise slicing of data, managers can not only see how their teams are faring, but also gauge their own strengths and weaknesses, letting them take relevant action to boost team engagement and their own performance. And all this while giving you unlimited access to engagement best practices from your own organization and innovative companies worldwide. So, if you've always believed in the power of engagement but lack the tools to put it into action, Culture Monkey has got you covered.